This example, we're going to talk about XOR function. Rarely used, reason being is simply a true false pool. Here, who eats at Taco Bell, Chipotle, or both? We'll use the XOR function to figure that out. The XOR function, what is it? Well, it checks whether one and only one condition is met. It's a true or false. So here, we're going to ask, did Irene eat at Taco Bell? Well, blank says no. And then the next, did Irene eat at Chipotle? No. So XOR is going to identify that and say it's false. On the other hand, Jim ate at Taco Bell, but didn't eat at Chipotle. So that's true. We're looking for the XOR function. The XOR function can be used to determine whether a single condition is met. Here's the formula: XOR C5 equals X, D5 equals X. This formula evaluates the true if Irene ate at Taco Bell or Chipotle. It returns false if Irene ate at both Taco Bell and Chipotle, and Irene did not eat at either. What's the point of this? You'll find a use, but that's the XOR function at its whole. Brad Williams, Excel primed.